Cryptocurrency being online makes a wallet more susceptible to being hacked. So, some people prefer to keep their assets in what is known as cold storage on an electronic device but in a wallet, not connected to the internet. Cold storage wallets do not accept as many kinds of cryptocurrencies as online wallets, however, and they are more expensive storage options. Another problem is losing or forgetting the private key, which unlocks the digital wallet. Like other financial institutions, crypto service providers also have to make sure that they are not hacked. Compromising the security of a blockchain is widely seen as a remote problem to succeed. A hacker would need more computing power than all the other independent verifiers on the network. That often means the computer code written for new projects are the most vulnerable point in the system. Crypto service providers need to prepare and protect themselves against both direct and indirect vulnerabilities by understanding the money laundering, fraud, and cyber risks associated with cryptocurrency. And by monitoring the evolving guidance registers, for example, of licensed Bitcoin businesses and attack vectors. A financial institution can more effectively mitigate cryptocurrency risk by integrating third party data and negative news with the activity of their own account holders. But one thing is clear, the criminals have already shielded their attacks so that they should be targeted when they have opportunities to attack on these platforms. Financial institutions also need to become a stronger chief so that they should be stop the criminals and make sure they continue to manage organized facilities in the growing virtual, mobile and hyper connected world. These are some of the major risks that we have tried to make you aware. By following these points, you can significantly reduce these risks and can stay tuned with us for more information and guidance. Of course, you all would have easily understood. If my video helped you understand, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.